Hello, Mr. Sneeze. How are you today? Phew! Oh dear, that was a nasty sneeze. Oh, Mr. Sneeze, you seem to have a bit of, dangling from your, oh dear. Why don't you wipe your nose, Mr. Sneeze? What's that? Oh, I see. You can't because you don't have any hands or arms. Oh, yes. I'd never noticed before. Why don't you ask one of the other Mr. Men for their help? Oh, it's Mr. Happy now. Hello, Mr. Happy. Can you help Mr. Sneeze out and lend him a hanky? What's that? Oh, you don't have any pockets, so you can't carry a hanky. Oh dear. Never mind, here's Mr. Silly. Oh dear, he says he did have a hanky, but with his hat pulled over his eyes, he can't seem to find it. Oh well. Mr. Silly. Wrong way. That's it. Ah, finally. Here's Mr. Bub. Mr. Bub, could you help Mr. Sneeze blow his nose? Oh, what a good idea. That's it, Mr. Sneeze. Blow. That's it, Mr. Bub. How very clever. Oh, Mr. Bub, what seems to be the problem? What's that? Without his bandage on, he's naked? Oh, Mr. Bub, don't be silly. All the Mr. Men are naked. And with that, all the Mr. Men gave one big naked cheer. Hooray!